This is the message of the gospel that we preach. This is the truth. This is the truth. This is the truth. Rome did not determine the success of the ministry of Jesus. Rome didn't determine it. Jesus determined it. He lived in the kingdom of God. When you come into divine destiny, it doesn't matter what you need. You stop pursuing things. Things start pursuing you. Now seriously, listen to me. I remember when my desire to go anywhere just died. When you're from this kind of environment, in this kind of place, most people never really leave. They're always waiting to escape. Waiting to escape. Some people will leave Port Harcourt and go to Lagos, hoping to find better opportunities. You know one of the things I found out? The richest man in this world doesn't live in a city. He lives in what you call a village. Warren Buffett doesn't live in a city. He lives in a village. We just came out from Asheshe. Asheshe. See the way it sounds. Asheshe. You are inside here, inside Atali. You all came to meet me inside this bush. I didn't go to the highest places in Port Harcourt to put a church. Because that's not the way success works. Success is not in a place, it's in a person. It's in a person. Because sometimes people put so much energy to go somewhere instead of be someone. When you come and you live in your destiny in God, it doesn't matter where you are. The whole world will come and look for you and meet you in that place. Will come and look for you and meet you in that place. I'm not anti-travel. I'm not anti-exposure. But you begin to understand that you're not going to look for something. You be. Things will begin to look for you. They will look for you. You be. Live in the consciousness of life in the kingdom. Life in the kingdom. There are many who have walked away from divine destiny. And what they have now is normal human life. Normal human life. They are living. And I tell people, there's certain things you don't do it quickly. Don't do it hurriedly. Don't relocate your family just at a, just wake up, you are feeling a certain way, just get up and just move. Don't even just switch jobs. I just felt somehow, you just moved. People who understand divine destiny don't move like that. They don't move like that. They don't. They realize that there's order. There's order. And positioning is very important. Very important. God's positioning and man's positioning, they are not the same. They're not the same. As in, my desire for wanting to go anywhere just died. I found out the power was in being in the kingdom and understanding it. Now I can go anywhere, do anything, but I know I'm not going anywhere to be successful. Who understands that? I'm not going anywhere to be successful. I'm not going to Europe to be successful. I'm not going to America to be successful. What are you talking about? I found out that success is life in the kingdom. It's life in the kingdom. That's where it is. What I just said now is for someone. I hope you heard me. I hope you heard me. And stop the foolishness. I hope you heard me. Lift your hands and talk to the Lord yourself.